Okay, I've updated the video style to animated.
Make it Studio Ghibli.
Okay, I've updated the video style to Studio Ghibli.
Make it a war zone.
Okay, I've updated the video style to a war zone.
The demo in this tutorial will show you how to build a real-time video restyling AI agent in Python using Vision Agents and Dicat AI. The agent can see your camera feed and transform the video into animated and different artistic styles that match your voice prompt. Vision Agents is an open source video AI framework for building voice and video applications in Python. Using the Dicat AI platform, developers can build real-time video generation and restyling applications. This is how the demo in this tutorial works. The voice and video restyling agent will run on Stream's Global Edge network. The agent will listen to your voice input and generate audio based on the voice input. It uses Dicat AI to restyle the video feed in real time. For example, you can say you want to change the camera feed into a beehive style or a war zone. It changes the video style dynamically as we keep asking it. So to speak to the agent, we will use DeepGram to handle speech to text. To hear from the agent, we will use 11 Labs for expressive voice output. That will be the text-to-speech component. To start with the real-time video restyling agent in Python, it requires you to have Python 3.10 or a later version, as well as the following API keys. Gemini 3 will be used as the LLM, so you will need an API key for Gemini. You will need Dicat API key, an API key from 11 Labs, DeepGram, Stream API key, and API secret. You can begin by creating a new Python project with UV using this command, UV init. Then you create a new Python environment and activate it with this command. Next, you should install Vision Agents with this command, as well as the required plugins for Vision Agents, Dicat AI for real-time video restyling, and other plugins for the voice pipeline. To set up the real-time video restyling agent using Vision Agents, there are a couple of steps you should follow. Let's look at each of these steps. First, you should create an agent with the Dicat AI processor and other voice pipeline components. So we initialize a new processor using the Dicat restyling processor and add an initial prompt. We can, for example, say, change my video to Studio Ghibli, and also add the model we want to use. Dicat has a couple of models for real-time video generation and restyling. For this example, we are using Mirage LSD that allows you to build real-time video restyling applications. In the processor's initialization, we add the model name as Mirage V2. The next thing to do is to create a new agent using the Vision Agents agent class and add all the following parameters. We add GetStream as the edge network that provides you with low latency audio and video communication. Next, we specify the agent as a user in the system. So we name it as Real-Time Video Restyler and also specify the agent ID. Next, we add instructions for the agent and also specify the LLM we want to use. For this example, we are using Gemini 3 Pro Preview. The next parameter is the text-to-speech component. For the last parameter, we specify the processor we defined earlier. That is the Dicat restyling processor. After defining the agent, we can also add dynamic style changing using the register function in Vision Agents. The LLM register function changes the voice prompt of the Dicat processor, which in turn changes the style of the video, as well as the user's background. The change prompt function instantly changes the visual style of the video to match the voice prompt. We can also customize the style of the video by changing the initial prompt. For example, we can say change my video to a war zone. Now let's look at how to put all the code snippets together to build the agent. That requires 4 steps. First, we should create a video call, and secondly, we open a web UI with a browser. Thirdly, we will join the call. Finally, we test the demo by using voice prompt to change the video in real time. So I will open an empty directory in Cursor and bring the terminal. I will initialize a new project with UV init. So that generates all the following files in the project. Next, I will create and activate a new virtual environment using UV. I will then bring the Files and Folders Explorer and add a new file, that is a .m file, to store all the required API keys. For the API keys, you will find the corresponding links to get yours from the description of the video. I will bring the terminal again and install Vision Agents and the plugins we need for this project. Since we have already initialized a new Python project with UV, we can install Vision Agents with this command, UV add Vision Agents, and press the return key. So that installs all the required packages and Vision Agents version 0.2.1. So when we run UV add Vision Agents, it installs only the core Vision Agents SDK. So we need to install all the plugins separately. In the context of this demo, we should run this command, UV add Vision Agents. We have the DCAT plugin, we have TestStream to provide low latency audio and video transport, Gemini Tray as the LLM, 11 Labs for text-to-speech, and DeepGram for speech-to-text. So I'll press the return key to install them all. After installing all the required plugins, we can now go ahead and modify the content of main.py to configure the agent. So let's add the following imports. Over here, we should import all the plugins we just installed. Next, I will add an async main function and create the agent. First, we define the processor as DCAT restyling processor and give it an initial prompt. So we want to change the video to Studio Ghibli. We add Gemini 3 Pro Preview as the LLM, and also over here we create a new agent using the Vision Agents agent class and pass the processor to the agent's definition to be able to change the video style dynamically. Over here, I will add the register function from Vision Agents. This function will change the voice prompt of the DCAT processor, which in turn changes the style of the video. The next thing to do is to create a new call, that is a new video call using Stream Video. After creating the video call, we also need to join it so that when we run the Python script, we will be able to interact with the agent in real time. So here we join the video call. Doing so will open a real-time transport for audio and video. So this is everything we need to do to build the real-time video restyling agent in Python. We first install Vision Agents and the DCAT AI plugin, as well as other plugins for the voice pipeline. Then we define a main async function and create a new processor using the DCAT restyling processor. Then we add the processor to the agent's definition. Next, we create a new video call and also join it to be able to open a web UI when we run the Python script. So I'll bring the terminal and run our main.py with UV.
Okay, I've updated the video style to look like a beehive.
Okay, change it to yellow cartoon.
Okay, I've updated the video style to yellow cartoon.
Now make it like superhero.
Okay, I've updated the video style to superhero.
Make it neon nostalgia.
Okay, I've updated the video style to neon nostalgia.
That is everything we have in this video. We have scratched the surface of Vision Agents and what you can achieve using the DCAT AI plugin. Using the DCAT AI platform, you can build live video AI experiences for interactive storytelling, video editing, image to video AI, video to video AI, and more. To get started with Vision Agents, I encourage you to read the documentation and also explore some sample apps and advanced use cases in its GitHub repo. You can also join the Discord community.